Welcome traders. Today we're sharing an amazing scalping trading strategy featuring a unique buy-sell indicator that is specifically used in combination with other indicators for insane accurate results. We'll break down the key elements of this strategy and show you how to use it effectively. So get ready and let's start the video. So I'm in TradingView, and this is what our chart is going to look like when we are done setting up our indicators. As you can see, this strategy uses a combination of three amazing indicators that make the strategy more accurate, and there are very less chances of false signals. I'm going to be using a Bitcoin chart on a 15-minute time frame. You can use this strategy on 1 minute or 5-minute time frame, and also you can use this strategy in many other different charts with all the other time frames as well. Now I'll quickly cross out these indicators and remove them from the chart so I can explain the settings from the beginning. So first of all, let's add our main indicator to the chart. For that, we will click on the indicators option. And here we will search for twin range filter in the search bar, and then add this indicator to the chart. After adding the indicator to the chart, you can see this is just a simple buy and sell indicator, but we need to optimize this indicator to get better results from it. To do that, we will open the settings of this indicator, and in the Inputs tab, we make sure that the source option is set to close. Then we change the fast period option to 45 and the fast range option to 2. Then we will set the slow period to 145. And finally, we change the slow range option to 3. There's nothing that we really need to change in the style, but if you want to, you could change the color of the signal icons to any color you like. So after that optimization, this is what the indicator is going to look like. You can enter a buy trade whenever the twin range filter indicator gives a buy signal. Like here, we see we got a buy signal from the indicator, so we can enter the trade here, open profitable buy position. And also, whenever the indicator shows a sell signal, you can enter a sell trade. This indicator gives pretty good signals, but we could increase its win rate even more. And in order to do that, I'm going to use two other indicators for this strategy. So for that, we will again open the indicators menu, and this time search for G channel trend detection, and then add this indicator to the chart. This indicator will be helping us to figure out the short-term trend of the market. We will change settings for this indicator also. So to do that, we will open the settings for this indicator, and then in the style section, we'll disable all the options except the average option. After that, we will change the opacity of colors from 0 to 100%. This way, it will be easily visible on the chart. You could also increase the thickness of both lines, but that totally depends on your liking. So the settings for these indicators are done. This indicator does a lot by helping us detect fake signals. This is how we use this indicator. The trend of the market is upward if the price is above the G trend indicator. And also the color of the G trend graph is green. In these conditions, we should only enter buy trades and we avoid entering sell trades. For example, we got a buy signal here, and the trend is also ascending because the price is above the G trend indicator and the graph is also green. So we could have used this as a signal to open a buy trade at this point, and you can see this would have been a profitable buy trade. The exact opposite rule goes for a sell trade. By the way, if you don't feel like analyzing prices yourself, you can join my free Telegram group. Here I share daily the buy and sell positions I open. The link is in the description below this video. Here we can see we got a sell signal, but the G trend indicator tells us that the momentum of the price is upwards. So in a situation like this, we will not enter a trade, and we can see this was a fake signal, and with the help of the G trend indicator, we can filter a lot of signals like these. But even if these two indicators are not enough, to make this strategy even more accurate and profitable, we will add another indicator to the chart that will further refine the signals confirmed by these two indicators. So for that, we will access the Indicators tab again, and in the search bar type Market Bias, and add this indicator to the chart. This indicator will help indicate the long-term trend of the market. So with the knowledge of both short-term and long-term trends, trading against the trend can be completely prevented in the strategy. After applying the indicator to the chart, open the settings for this indicator, and in the Style section, disable the Hikinashi option completely. Then change the opacity of all the background color options to 70% the opacity. Make sure all of them are set to 70%. Then we move to the Inputs tab and change the period option to 200. The smoothing option should be on 100. An oscillator period should be set to 7. So these are going to be the changes in the settings for this indicator. Now that our chart is set, let's go through the complete rules for entering a buy and sell trade through this strategy. So for a buy trade to be valid, first of all, we want the twin range filler indicator to give us a buy signal. Then we need to make sure that our signal is following the short-term trend. And for that, the price should be above the GE trend indicator line. And the color of the line should also be green. Finally, we have got to make sure that the long-term trend of the market is also ascending. And for this, the price must also be above the market bias indicator, and the graph of this indicator has to be green in color. So if all these conditions are fulfilled, we can safely enter a buy trade. So I will open a buy position at this candle, and we will adjust the stop loss at the G trend indicator line, which will be right here. Then for this strategy, we will use a risk to reward ratio of 1.5. Now let's see if the price will hit our target or not. And as you can see, this was a profitable buy trade. Now let's take a look at another example. Here we can see we got a buy signal and the price is above the G trend line and also the graph of the market bias indicator. And both of these indicators are green in color. So I'll open a buy position here. Set my stop loss at the G trend line indicator and my risk to reward ratio at 1.5. I hope you guys have understood the rules for entering a buy trade through this strategy. Now, let's go through the rules for entering a sell trade. By the way, if you don't feel like analyzing prices yourself, you can join my free Telegram group. Here I share daily the buy and sell positions I open. The link is in the description below this video. So for entering a sell trade, we must first get a sell signal from twin range filters indicator. After that, we have to be sure that short-term and long-term trends are both descending or going down. We want the price to be below the G trend indicator, and also the color of the G trend graph should be red. And finally, this signal will be confirmed if the price is also below the market bias indicator and the graph is in red color. So both these indications suggest that this is a valid sell signal. So I will open a sell position here. We will use the G trend indicator line as our stop loss level, which will be right here. And the take profit ratio will be the same as in buy trade. As you can see, this strategy is incredible and you can gain good profits using this strategy in your trading. Let's take a quick look at one more sell trade example. Here we see the sell signal we got is confirmed by both the other indicators, as both of them are red in color and the short-term momentum and long-term momentum is downward. So I will open a sell position here using the same money management rules, and let's see if this trade will be profitable or not. I hope you guys have understood this strategy. So this is going to be it for this video. If you guys like this video, make sure to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell for more amazing strategies. Thank you for watching the video till the end. I'll see you guys in the next video.